Got the bikes loaded up. We're gonna go ahead and head to Estacada, hit some trails. Got the KTM XCW, and then got the YZ 125X, and got the Ranger and Danger. Yeah, much lighter. Oh, you're kidding. How are we doing? We got it right here. Okay, great. Get going. Edit this part out. Pulled up to the spot. Come on, Vitaly, keep her going. Hit it! Woohoo! Oh, baby! We just got to the top of Luddy Flats, and look at this view. Got the KTM, got the YZ 125X. You cannot beat this view. This is in Estacada, Oregon. Wow. One last look. Woohoo! Oh yeah, Ranger's still up here. Go ahead and load up the bikes. Yeah, buddy.